Inheriting production and management experience from Mikado Group, Mikado Quartz has been introduced to the market since 2019. We have 2 production lines with a capacity of 60 containers per month. Mikado Quartz confident to provide quick lead times for customers worldwide. By implementing strict quality standards and continuous development new stone designs, our artificial quartz slabs are increasingly popular in the international markets, especially in the United States. Our raw materials are imported from India, Korea, and local market. Material security is one of our top priorities to ensure stable production. Quartz slabs are human-made, so it is easier to create consistent veins from slab to slab. At Mikado Quartz, we have more than 70 designs including Calcutta, Carrara, Single Color and Dynamic series. The material is placed into a vacuum-sealed chamber with a vibration system. Shaking the mixture removes gases from the slab that make the quartz surface become non-porous. This is one of the major advantages that quartz can do better than granite or marble. After compression, the slab is then baked at 90 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes. The baking process hardens the slab to form the solid quartz surface. This makes the quartz slab become durable and indestructible. After cooling, the slabs are measured and calibrated to ensure they meet the desired dimensions. Our standard size is 3,200 by 1,600 mm with thicknesses 2 cm and 3 cm. The quartz slabs then go through the polishing process for about 2 hours until the surface meets the glossy standard. After the slab is machine polished, the final product is examined for quality control purposes. The final inspection checks for surface condition, glossy, color shade, and size. After final inspection, the finished slabs are sent to a warehouse for storage or loading into the container for customers. Mikado Quartz always do our best to catch the trend in the market and contribute to partner success. Thank you and hope for our cooperation.